What is teeth whitening and how does it work? What is teeth whitening? Teeth whitening is an effective and conservative cosmetic treatment that lightens discolored teeth. Whitening has been practiced in dentistry for many centuries. Teeth whitening is one of the most common elective dental procedures because it is inexpensive, highly effective, and produces fast results. How does teeth whitening work? Teeth whitening works by converting double carbon bonds into single carbon bonds. This is done with an active ingredient or whitening agent. Hydrogen peroxide is an effective and safe active ingredient that can vaporize the stain molecules. The teeth are coated with a bleaching product, usually containing hydrogen peroxide, for teeth whitening. A laser shown on the teeth during treatment is what makes this whitening technique so quick and effective. Does tooth whitening really work? Tooth whitening works best for people with yellow teeth and is less effective for people with brown teeth. If your teeth are gray or purple, tooth bleaching probably won't work at all. To be sure tooth whitening is worth your time and money, talk to your dentist before you use an over-the-counter tooth whitening kit. Read the ultimate list of frequently asked questions about teeth whitening. Visit the link in description below. What type of teeth whitening is best? In ascending levels of effectiveness, there are tooth whitening kinds of toothpaste, tooth whitening strips, and kits that apply whitening gel by means of mouth trays. What teeth whitening method works best? The best way to whiten teeth by removing stains is whitening toothpaste and an electric toothbrush. For more dramatic results, the best teeth whitening method is a whitening gel tray. While many people aim for the sparkiest smile they can achieve, whiter teeth don't actually equal healthier teeth. How do you whiten your teeth? Whitening pens can come in handy when you need to brighten up your whites on the go. This pocket-friendly pen is filled with 15 applications of the similarly powerful hydrogen peroxide gel used in Diamond Smile's wildly popular teeth whitening kit. The gel dries quickly in just 60 seconds and is safe enough to use twice daily. Read the ultimate list of frequently asked questions about teeth whitening. Visit the link in description below. Can you whiten your teeth every day? You can use a whitening toothpaste every day for continuous whitening that becomes part of your oral care routine, no extra steps required. Whitening pens is another option, though you should consult with your oral care professional to ensure that this is the safest method for your needs. How many people use teeth whitening products? Millions of people use teeth whitening products. In fact, cosmetic teeth bleaching is forecasted to be a $3.8 billion global industry by 2022. The American Dental Association, ADA, states that safe and effective teeth whitening options are available for both in-office and at-home applications and over-the-counter treatments. Now you may ask, should I whiten my teeth? If you have stained teeth and you intend to remove the surface stain and discoloration, you may consider teeth whitening. Read the ultimate list of frequently asked questions about teeth whitening. Visit the link in description below.